The idea of sustainable development was defined for the first time of the Land Commissions in the year of 1987. The Land Commission cited the definitions of the sustainable development in 1987, defining it as the development that meets the need of the present without compromising the needs of the future generations to meet their own needs. The Land Commissions, also known as the Byrd Commission on Environment and Development (WCED), released influential Land report in 1987. The report introduced the concept of sustainable development, the different major phases of a infrastructural project in logical sequences, that is planning, designing, closure, environmental impact assess. The different major phases of the infrastructural project in logical sequences are planning, design, closure, and environment impact assessment. The sustainable development is related to the financial capital. The sustainable development is that meet the need of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. It is useful to differentiate between the five kinds of capitals: financial, natural, produced, human, and social. All these stocks that have the capacity to produce flow of the economical desirable outputs. The maintenance of the all five kind of capital is essential for the sustainability of economic development. Which of following is not coming under the three pillars of sustainability? That is the cultural sustainability. Among the Sustainable Development Goal (SDG), which is goal prescribe affordable and clear energy, that is SDG SDG 7. List of 17 Sustainable Development Goals: no poverty, zero hunger, good health and well-being, quality education, gender equality, clean, best and sanitary, affordable clean energy, and decent work and economic growth, industry, innovation and infrastructure, reduce inequality, sustainable cities and communities, responsible consumption and the production, climate action, life below the water, life on the land, peace, justice, and strong institutions, partnership for the goals. The Burden Land Report is concerned with the sustainable development or common future is also known as Burden Land Report, was published October 1987 by the United Nations through the Oxford University Press. It targets multilateral and interdependence of the nation in search for the sustainable development path. The report sought to recapture the spirit of the Stockholm Conference, which had introduced the environmental concern to the formal political development sphere. Our common future placed environmental issues firmly on the political agenda. It aimed to discuss the environment and development as one single issues. Which one following organization is not doing circular economy work? That is Organization for People Welfare. European Union. The UE is a global leader in the transitions to a circular economy and has several outgoing policies, action, international report focus on this model. National Institute of Standard and Technology NIST. NIST conducted the research, convenes workshop and found the program supporting circular economy practice, particularly in area like plastic and textile. US Chamber of the Commerce Foundations. The foundation led project like Beyond 34th and the Circular Economy Toolbox directly supporting the corporate adoption circular economy principles. The Organization for the People Welfare, there is no credible public evidence for reporting the indicate that is entity involve any circular economy initiatives. Which of following not considered as a planetary boundary? Ozone depletion in the upper atmosphere, global biodiversity loss, and worsening air pollution cities. Yes, planetary boundary concept is aimed to define environmental limit within which humanity can safely survive. This concept was introduced 2009 and it has proved beneficial in global sustainable policy development. There are 9 boundaries are listed below: climate change, ocean acidification, stratoscopic ozone depletion, biochemical flow in nitrogen cycle, global freshwater use, land system changes, erosion of biosphere integrity, chemical pollution, atmospheric aerosol loadings. नेक्स्ट बात करते हैं द सिटी ऑफ फेवर्क इन जर्मन become known as the environmental capital as far back 1992. Which one following policies was part of the new agenda? That is C. Implementations of smog and ozone warning system. Fairburg is considered as a single best city for the sustainable urban development. Its planning was started in easily 1970. It has tackled its energy need, climate change, transport, and land use. Its silent planning futures are car-less transportation system, promotion of public transport and walking, cycling culture, and compact urban design to leave two-thirds of the area for the green use. Strict air quality standard, smoke plus ozone warning system. The interaction of the economic and environment consideration give the rise to the viables. इसमें आंसर आएगा viable. Viable development. For project to be viable, its economic benefits should be equal or more than its economic cost. Viable development is tested for following parameter: economic, legal feasibility, technical feasibility, environment and social sustainability. The Sustainable Development Goal (SDG) are considered the post-2015 global agenda aimed at resolving the social, economic, and environmental problems traveling the world. What is the role of assigned to city and urban development in the new agenda? That is C. Sustainable city and communities are considered very important, thus a goal by itself. Cities and urban development views as a key of policy area cross-cutting nature that is relevant to the agenda. नहीं. The urban development is considered in specific target of some goal like good jobs, economic growth, good health, clean water, sanitation, responsible consumption, clean energy, and poverty of alleviation. Sustainable city accumulate are considered very important and thus are goal by the itself. The city's urban development are not worth to the considered as there are too many other problems need to be addressed. The first related indirectly improvements. Sustainable development goal is 9 adopted by the United Nations 2015 as a universal call to action to end poverty, protect the planet, and ensure less prosperity by 2013. The role assigned to city and urban development is sustainable city and communities are considered very important, thus are goal by itself. Which of following is not a sustainable development goal targeted to be achieved by 2030 according to General Assembly of United Nations? Which of following क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 की बात चलती है. विच ऑफ फॉलोइंग नॉट ए सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल टारगेट टू बी अचीव्ड बाय 2030 अकॉर्डिंग टू जनरल असेंबली ऑफ द यूनाइटेड नेशन? लाइफ ऑन मार्स ये नहीं होगा, ये सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट के अंदर नहीं है. नो पॉवर्टी होगा, क्वालिटी एजुकेशन होगा, क्लीन वाटर सैनिटेशन होगा. हाउ मेनी सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल्स हैव बीन अडॉप्टेड 2013? दैट इज द 17. Which of following UN development goal ensure availability of water and sustainable sanitation for the all is a 6. In September 2015, the General Assembly of the United Nations adopted 2030 Agenda for the Sustainable Development includes 17 Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs). Building on the principle of the leaving no one behind, the new agenda emphasizes a holistic approach to achieving sustainable development for all. The Sustainable Development Goal (SDG) but adopted by the United Nations member state 2015 as a universal call to action to end poverty, protect the planet, and ensure that all people enjoy the peace, prosperity in 2030. Life on Mars is not a sustainable development goal targeted by achieved by the 2030. Sustainable development goal transform our world. No poverty, zero index, good health and well-being, quality education, gender equality, clean water and sanitation, affordable clean energy, decent work and economic growth, industry, innovation, infrastructure, reduce inequality, sustainability, citizen community responsible for consumption and protection, climate action, life below the water, life on land, peace, justice, strong institutions, a partnership to achieve the goal. Which of following is approach to design for sustainability? That is A. Selection of resources with low environment impact. Which of following is an approach to design for sustainability? Selection of resource with low environmental impact. This option align with the principle of the design of sustainability. Selecting resource with the low environmental impact involves choosing material and resource of renewable, recycle, biodegradable, have reduced environmental footprints throughout the life cycle. By selecting the environmental friendly material, design can minimize and resource depletion, pollution, and water generation, contribute to the sustainable product design and developments. Sustainable development is a concept of development meet to the need of present without compromising ability of the generation to meet their own needs. Sustainable development is subjected of sensitivity in context of natural resource from one to another generation. The main object of the sustainable development is the conservation of the natural resource, proper management of natural resource, and use of natural resource just a manner. It is notable that the word sustainable development was explained by the WCED, World Commission on Environment Development. It is report 1987 or Common Future. The capture full attention by the Agenda 21 Rio Conference in Earth Summit 1992. It was main point of discussion in the Johannesburg Conference 2002. Sustainable development includes poverty mitigation, conservation of biodiversity, and control of the environmental pollution. Nature has its own beauty. Nature has its own beauty and boundaries. So it first we should understand the nature and then roadmap of the development should be prepared. Sustainable development is a balanced approach between economic development and environmental conservation. Compelling terms for the sustainable development are based on the availability of the information. These information are obtained by the remote sensing technology, statistical methods, and graphical information system. Environmental information system etc. On the basis of these information roadmap development is prepared. नेक्स्ट बात करते हैं सपोर्टिंग कैप्चर एंड assimilative capacity are the components of a carrying capacity. The concept and compromise carrying capacity are employed as tool for the operationalism of sustainable development. Carrying capacity of region comprising its supportive and assimilative capacities is defined as the liability produce desired output from the constraint resource base achieved to higher and more equitable equality of the life while maintaining desired environment quality and ecological health. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की बात करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. In carbon trading, which one of following is the equivalent to each certified emissions reduction unit? That is 1 metric tons of the CO2e. इसका आंसर देखते हैं. A certified emission reduction is issued under the condition of the clean development mechanism. Article 20 of the Tokyo Protocol and is equal to the 1 metric ton of CO2 equivalent. Question number 16. The three basic pillars of the sustainable development compass is A. Environmental attribute, economical and social. Three basic pillars of sustainable development are environmental, economic and social attribute. Question number 17. The sustainable development indicator framework PSIR implies प्रेशर, इसमें आएगा प्रेशर, स्टेट इम्पैक्ट एंड रेस्पॉन्स. to produce to produce broad agenda and new blueprint for international action on environment and development issues that would help guide international cooperative and development policy in 21st century was primarily object as a Stockholm Rio 1992 Earth Summit. ठीक है, the primary object to produce a broad agenda or a new blueprint for international action environment and development issues that would help the guide international cooperation and development policy in the 21st century was goal of Stockholm Rio 1992 Earth Summit. The 1992 United Nations Conference on Environment Development and commonly known as Rio Earth Summit and convened world leaders and produced pivotal document including the Rio Declaration and Agenda 21, specifically designed to create a comprehensive framework and roadmap for sustainable development and environment protection. The summit main aim was to set a broad and actionable international agenda in the fields of the environmental and development, guiding policy and cooperation future of the decades. A focused potential document which contains clear and practical measures for implementing sustainable development was outcome of the Johnson Work Rio 2002 Rio Plus 20 focused on potential document on the sustainable development. The focused political document containing clear the practical measure of the implementing and sustainable development was outcome of Johnson Work Rio 2012 Rio Plus 20. The Rio 20 United Nations Conference on the Sustainable Development, Rio de Janeiro 2012. World leader adopted focused political outcome document titled Future We Want. This page 53 document outlined precisely actionable measure and renewable political commitment for the implementing sustainable development, charting the way forward international cooperation. The number of fire zones for a large city may be 3. National Building Code (NBC) of India specified the city must be divided into fire zone based on risk and occupancy. For a large city, NBC typically recommended 3 fire zones. Zone first, residential and low risk building. Zone second, ordinary hazardous, commercial, industrial and mixed. Zone 3, high risk factories, storage and combustible. These smaller cities may have 1 and 2 zones and 3 zones are standard for larger city to effectively plan, figure safety and emergency responses. नेक्स्ट बात करते हैं द राइट टू सेफ्टी, द राइट टू बी इन्फॉर्म्ड, द राइट टू चूज एंड द राइट टू बी हेयर्ड ऑल पार्ट्स एंड consumerism. Consumerism is a movement or policies aimed at regulating the product, service, method, and standard of the manufacturer, sellers, and advertising in the interest of the consumer. It focuses on the protecting the right and interact consumers, the right of safety, to be informed, to choose, to be heard, and fundamental components of the consumerism. And consumerism seek to the empower consumers and ensure business operate in the way that is fair, transparent, and safe of consumers. The concept of sustainable development was given United Nations Conference on the Environment and Development. The United Nations Conference on the Environment and Development, also known as Earth Summit. The United Nations Conference Environment and Development held in Rio de Janeiro in 1992 played a pivotal role in promoting the idea of sustainable development on a global scale. The conference produced important documents like Rio the Declaration and Agenda 21, which emphasized sustainable development. It sought balanced economic growth, economical and environmental protection, social equity. The concept of sustainable development was further popularized through the Brundtland Report, also called Common Future. It is 1987, which defines the sustainable development and development that meets the need of present without compromising the ability of the future generations to meet their own needs. Which one of following conference is also known as Earth Summit? That is D. United Nations Conference on the Earth, Environment and Development. What is the unit of carbon footprint? Ton of CO2 equivalent. Carbon footprint is the total greenhouse gas emissions caused directly and indirectly by the individual, organization, event, or product. It is calculated by summing the emissions resulting from the every stage of product or service lifetime. Throughout the product lifetime or life cycles, GHG G. Such carbon dioxide, CO2, methane, CH4, and nitrous N2O may be emitted, and difference in heat tapping are accounted for the global warming potential of each gas, resulting in the carbon footprint unit mass ton and carbon dioxide equivalent. Which one of following is a popular green building rating system development in India? That is GREA. Green buildings are the structures that ensure efficient use of natural resources like building material, water, energy, and other sources with minimal generations of non-degradable waste. From houses, wall building, and biogas plants should be constructed at least a spacing of a 2 meter. A minimum distance 1.5 meters should be kept between the plant any wall or foundation. It should be away from the any tree to prevent root interference. It should be at least 15 meter away from the wall any well used for drinking water purpose. इसकी बात कर लेते हैं ग्रीन बिल्डिंग के बारे में. Whether green buildings are really green to be decided against the predefined rating system. These are three primary rating system. First आया GRIH Green Rating for Integrated Habitat Assessment. IGBC Indian Green Building Council. BEE Bureau of Energy Efficiency. Green Rating of the Integrated Habitat Assessment. GREA. It is a green building design evaluation system joint development by the TRI and the Ministry of New Renewable Energy, where buildings are related to three-tier process. GREA rating system consists of the 34 criteria and categorized for different sections. Some of them there: site selection and site planning, conservation and efficient utilization of resource, building operation and maintenance, innovation. Indian Green Building Council (IGBC), the leadership in environment and Energy and Environment Design (LEED) is a rating system developed by the Certifying Green Building. LEED is developed by the US Green Building Council (USGBC), the organization promoting sustainable throughout the green building. LEED is a framework for assessing building performance against set criteria and standard point of reference. Bureau of Energy Efficiency (BEE) is developed opening rating system for the building based on 1 to 5 star scale. More star means more energy efficiency. BEE is developed as the Energy Performance Index. In the design process of sustainability, which stage focus on the creating the skeleton form of systematic project, that is B. Systematic design. Systematic design is a crucial phase in the design of process, particularly sustainable design. This stage typically follow problem statement and precede technical details. In this stage, the designer began to capitalize the project by developing a rough sketch diagram and basic layout. The focus on exploring various design options, generating idea to achieve project objectives. Sustainability considerations are integrated into these initial concepts, ensuring environmental, social, and economic factors are addressed for the outset. The systematic diagram design phase aims to establish the overall form of special organization and mass of the project. A set of principles which provide guidance on the achieving sustainable development is implemented by the Rio Declaration Environment Developments. Which of recognizing green building rating system, that is B. Leadership in environment and energy and environment design. What does the term of ecological footprint specifically measured? The total land area required to produce the resource consumed and absorb the waste generation by individual, community, or country. The ecological footprint is measure the human demand on the Earth's ecosystem. It is essentially qualify the amount of biological, productive, and land water area required to produce the source we consume and observe or waste, including carbon dioxide and it bay to assess the impact on the plant and understand sustainability of all the lifestyle.